Hey everybody, Bryce Kendrick here with Force Turbos. How are you today? We wanted to go over the installation of your spark arrestor in your new UTV exhaust. Once you have opened your Force Turbos exhaust, inside the box you will notice that we have some important information about the installation and the maintenance of your exhaust. When you are first installing your exhaust, you will receive the spark arrestor and a bolt. That spark arrestor needs to go inside of your exhaust and be bolted into location. Once your spark arrestor is in location, you will take your nut and your bolt, slide your nut into the channel on the spark arrestor, and tighten down your bolt. Do it finger tight, and then take a 10mm wrench and tighten the spark arrestor down. That will make it so that it's tight and secure inside the end of your muffler. Once your exhaust is mounted onto your vehicle, the spark arrestor will become a maintenance item, especially for the first few hundred miles when you're running this exhaust. Residual packing could blow out of your exhaust and get stuck on your spark arrestor. When this residual packing gets stuck on your spark arrestor, you will notice a decrease in performance on your machine. All you have to do when you see this happen is undo your bolt again, remove your spark arrestor, and clean around the screen. Then reinstall it. One thing to remember when you're doing that though is that you want to make sure your exhaust is cool before you go and touch it because it is hot. All of this information can be found on the important notice that was included in your exhaust or on forceturbos.com. We know that you're going to love the looks, the sound, and the performance of your new exhaust. Give us a call if you have any questions, and we hope to see you next time.